I started babysitting when I was 13, 13, 14 years old. And children just kept clinging to me. And my mom said, well, why don't you just do daycare in your home? I just like watching them grow. Just watching them do the things that they do, the way that they learn. You're starting a whole new generation. This is our future, basically. And we're teaching them. And if we don't teach them what they need to know early on, then they won't know. It's hard to teach a child at 15 the morals that they should have learned when they were in elementary school. We are the first teachers. We teach these kids from birth on till we pass them to the next teacher. In the morning, we have breakfast at between 8:30 and 9 o'clock, and we do our ABCs. We do letters. We do it as they play and learn. At this age that they are now, from 2 to maybe 4, playing and learning is totally different than the classroom structure for them. It's a lot better. They actually do pick up on stuff more playing while they're learning. A lot of people say, "Oh, well, you just babysitting." No, no, no. We're caring for these children. We're caregivers. There's a difference between being a babysitter and a caregiver. A caregiver makes sure that the paperwork is done, they get fed, they're safe, they have their learning ability, they have their exercise, they have the whole circle. You do so much. You're a parent to those children. You're a doctor. You're a lawyer. You're a police officer. You have to give hugs. It's so much that you have to be. You have to put so many hats on to be a child care provider. It's a great job. I love it. I love it. I can't see myself doing anything else. I'm gonna do it till I'm about 60.